Did you ever wonder who's winning the AI race between McDonald's and Burger King? In an era where artificial intelligence and robotics are no longer the stuff of science fiction, these fast food giants are racing to incorporate these technologies into their operations. It's a brave new world where robots and AI are working behind the counters, flipping burgers and even suggesting which menu items you might like. McDonald's and Burger King, two titans of the fast food industry, are leading the charge, each implementing AI and robotics in unique ways to enhance customer experience, increase efficiency, and drive profits. So who's ahead in this technological race? And what does this mean for the future of fast food? The stakes are high and the competition fierce as these two companies battle it out to become the leader in AI and robotics implementation. So buckle up and get ready, because we're about to dive into the strategies employed by these fast food giants. McDonald's has taken a big bite out of the AI pie. Aiming to revolutionize customer service, McDonald's has successfully integrated AI technologies into its operations. One such innovation is the AI-powered self-ordering kiosks. These kiosks have popped up in many McDonald's locations worldwide, offering a seamless and efficient ordering process. Customers can browse the menu at their own pace, personalize their orders, and pay directly at the kiosk, freeing them from the traditional queues at the counter. This has not only fast-tracked service, but has also gifted customers with a more personalized experience. But McDonald's AI journey doesn't stop at kiosks. The fast food giant has announced plans to utilize AI in menu development, loyalty programs, and harnessing the power of cloud technology. By analyzing customer preferences and behaviors, McDonald's is crafting a more tailored dining experience. The goal? To enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty by making each visit a unique one. With AI, McDonald's can deliver the right menu offerings and promotions to the right customers at the right time. Imagine walking into a McDonald's and seeing your favorite burger on a special deal just for you. That's the power of AI, and McDonald's is harnessing it to the fullest. According to McDonald's CEO, Chris Kempczinski, AI and machine learning are transforming the fast food industry. He says, AI and machine learning are transforming the way we interact with customers from the moment they place an order to the moment they receive their food. This transformation is not just about making the ordering process faster or more efficient. It's about creating a personalized experience for each customer, making them feel valued and understood. It's about leveraging technology to build stronger relationships with customers and, in the process, driving business growth. Clearly, McDonald's is banking on AI to revolutionize its customer experience. With these innovative strategies, McDonald's is not just keeping up with the times, but setting a new standard for the fast food industry. It's a fascinating journey, and we can't wait to see where it leads. On the other hand, Burger King is not far behind. This fast food giant is also making waves with its exploration of AI technologies, using them as innovative tools to improve operations and enhance the customer experience. One of the key initiatives Burger King is undertaking is the use of AI-driven software to optimize its drive-thru lanes. The drive-thru, a staple of the fast food experience, is being revolutionized by Burger King's AI. This software analyzes a wealth of data, including order accuracy and speed of service, to understand how operations can be streamlined. The goal? To provide customers with a seamless, efficient drive-thru experience, getting them their Whopper faster and with fewer errors. But the AI implementation doesn't stop at the drive-thru. Burger King is also experimenting with AI-powered menu boards. Imagine pulling up to order and seeing recommendations tailored just for you. These menu boards use AI to display personalized suggestions based on various factors. The time of day, the weather, and even your own unique preferences are all taken into account. If it's a hot day, you might see a suggestion for a refreshing Fanta Orange. Early morning, how about a hearty croissant sandwich? These AI-powered menu boards are not just about enhancing the customer experience. They also serve a strategic purpose for Burger King. By offering tailored recommendations, the company hopes to increase sales and drive profits. It's a win-win situation for both the customer and Burger King. Jose Sil, the CEO of Restaurant Brands International, the parent company of Burger King, has said, AI technology allows us to provide a more personalized experience for our customers, ultimately driving sales and improving customer satisfaction. This statement encapsulates Burger King's strategic vision for AI, highlighting its potential to transform the fast food experience in ways we're only just beginning to understand. Burger King is cooking up a storm with AI, aiming to boost sales and customer satisfaction. And if its current initiatives are any indication, we can expect to see a lot more innovation on the menu in the future. So, who's winning the AI race, you may ask? It's a neck-and-neck battle, but let's break it down. McDonald's, with its extensive use of AI-powered self-ordering kiosks, seems to be making quite a splash in the AI pool. They've successfully streamlined the ordering process, making it faster and more personalized. The Golden Arches are also harnessing the power of AI for menu development, loyalty programs, and cloud technology. This tailored approach to customer service and product offering, backed by the power of artificial intelligence, is a game changer. On the other hand, Burger King, the home of the Whopper, is not far behind. Their focus on AI-driven software for optimizing drive-thru lanes and AI-powered menu boards is a promising strategy. By analyzing data like order accuracy and speed of service, they're enhancing their customer experience and increasing efficiency. Their AI-powered menu boards, offering personalized recommendations, take the ordering experience to a whole new level. In terms of predictions, we can anticipate even more innovation and investment in AI and robotics from both these fast food giants. They're not just enhancing customer experience, but also boosting profits and improving operational efficiency. According to McKinsey & Company, the global market for AI in the restaurant industry is projected to reach $4.5 billion by 2025. The driving force behind this growth? The increasing demand for automation and efficiency in the food service sector. But here's the twist. While McDonald's has been more aggressive in implementing AI technologies, Burger King's focus on optimizing existing processes with AI shows a different approach. It's a classic case of the hare and the tortoise. McDonald's, with its rapid adoption of AI, is the hare, while Burger King, with its methodical implementation, is the tortoise. And as the old fable goes, slow and steady might just win the race. So as we watch these two fast food titans battle it out, it's clear that the AI race is more than just a sprint. It's a marathon, a journey of innovation and advancement. The AI race is on, and it's heating up. But what does this AI race mean for jobs in the fast food industry? As we delve into the world of AI and automation, it's crucial to consider the potential impact on employment. The introduction of AI-powered kiosks, drive-thru optimization software, and personalized menu boards might raise a few eyebrows, particularly from those in the workforce. Will these technological advancements lead to job displacement? Let's start with the elephant in the room. Automation could lead to job loss. The reality is, machines don't take breaks, they don't need healthcare, and they can work around the clock. This efficiency is appealing to businesses, particularly in the fast food sector, where speed and consistency are paramount. So there's a genuine concern that as AI and robotics become more advanced and prevalent, the demand for human labor could decrease. However, it's not all doom and gloom. While it's true that automation could replace some jobs, it's also creating new ones. For instance, someone needs to design, build, program, and maintain these AI systems and robots. These are jobs that didn't exist 2 decades ago. Moreover, the use of AI can free up employees from mundane tasks, allowing them to focus on more complex and rewarding aspects of their work, like customer service and problem solving. Additionally, the adoption of AI and robotics could lead to a shift in the skills required in the fast food industry. There might be a greater need for workers with tech-savvy skills, like operating and troubleshooting AI systems. This shift presents an opportunity for current employees to upskill and for the industry to attract a new generation of workers. So, while the AI race might be unsettling for some, it's important to remember that every industrial revolution has brought with it changes to the job landscape. As the industry evolves, so must its workforce. In conclusion, both McDonald's and Burger King are making strides in harnessing the power of AI. Their innovative exploits have shown that the fast food industry is ripe for a technological revolution. McDonald's has demonstrated the potential of AI-powered self-ordering kiosks, showcasing how these machines can streamline the ordering process and personalize the customer experience. They've also made it clear that they intend to leverage AI for menu development, loyalty programs, and cloud technology, all aimed at enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. On the other hand, Burger King has shown us the power of AI in optimizing drive-thru lanes and tailoring menu boards to the individual customer. Their focus on improving efficiency and personalizing the dining experience has set a new standard for fast food service. While McDonald's currently seems to be leading the race with its extensive use of AI, Burger King's focus on drive-thru optimization and personalized menu boards is not to be underestimated. It's clear that both fast food giants are committed to harnessing the power of AI and robotics to enhance their operations. The potential benefits of AI and robotics in the fast food industry are immense. From improved efficiency and customer satisfaction to increased profits, these technologies promise to revolutionize the way we dine. However, we must also remain mindful of the potential impact on jobs, as the rise of automation could lead to job displacement. It's an exciting time for the fast food industry. According to a report by McKinsey & Company, the global market for AI in the restaurant industry is projected to reach $4.5 billion by 2025. This rapid growth is driven by the increasing demand for automation and efficiency in the food service sector. In the coming years, we can anticipate further innovation and investment in AI and robotics from both McDonald's and Burger King, as well as other players in the industry. The AI race is not just about who wins, but how these technologies can revolutionize the industry for the better. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to confirm that you've received the knowledge from this video. For more exciting content, make sure you watch the recommended video on the screen and stay updated with the latest advancements in the world of technology. Thanks for watching with AI Discovery.